We have developed an LTI application specifically for advisors. Its main purpose is to make advising more efficient by allowing the advisor to see all the current grades for the advisee in one place. Once installed, you can access the Advisor dashboard through the course menu in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking it will start the authorization process. The one accessing must have instructor-teacher role in Canvas as well as be an official advisor. If either of these are not true, then no access will be given to the application. In this case, I am not the official advisor. I received the message that I must be the instructor of record to access this service, meaning I have to be an official advisor, and it's actually checking a file out on our server for who are advisors and who are their advisees. I am now logged in as the official advisor. I will click on the Advisor dashboard. Depending on the number of advisees the advisor has, the load process will vary. This application pulls in all the advisee data before it actually loads the interface. Here's the interface for the application. You can see that this advisor has many advisees. I'm going to go ahead and there's the 22 it looks like total. So you can filter the data in many ways. For example, you can filter the data by typing in the student's 919 number. So let's just put in one. 919 is our student ID. Or you can filter by either the first or last name. You can also sort by clicking on the column headings, either ascending or descending. And if you have several advisees, you may need to use the pagination functionality at the bottom, clicking either next or previous or the actual page number. And you can see in the Show drop-down entries, you can select how many entries you'd like to see per page. You can see the sections in which the advisees are enrolled in by checking in the Show Sections checkbox. At this point, you can enter a section ID to see just that course. You can even filter by grades if you'd like. Click the Show Grades checkbox. And then if you uncheck the high grades and leave the low grades, you can find the students who need assistance. But during an advising appointment, we'd want to hide the grades until you're ready to show the grades to the one student there. click anywhere in the row for a specific advisee. This will pull up the context cards for each of the courses the student is currently enrolled in. Notice that each context card has the title of the course, the current letter grade, the current percentage, and assignment and attendance data where appropriate. You can email the student by clicking on the email icon. This will give you a pop-up window of the conversation area in Canvas where you can compose a message and send. Click anywhere outside the context cards to close. There is also a download link. Clicking this link will download the entire list of advisees into an Excel file. This report has high-level data of the advisees. In this case, the student ID, first and last name, the sections they are enrolled in, and the email identification. The advisor can use this data to generate custom reports. That concludes the Advisor Dashboard demo.